Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing your Mac so Genmoji runs smoothly. First, make sure macOS 12 or newer and at least 8 GB RAM are available. Performance suffers otherwise. Then install Homebrew, Node 18 or later, and Python 3.10 using the terminal. These provide runtime and build tools. If you use Apple Silicon, enable Rosetta for x86 compatibility and restart the terminal to apply changes. Once done, you'll be ready to fetch the Genmoji source and continue to installation. Next, clone the Genmoji repository into a dedicated folder and change into it. You run git clone, then npm install to fetch JavaScript dependencies. This sets up the UI and build pipeline. After that, use npm run build to produce production assets. For Python components, create a virtualenv, activate it, and pip install from requirements. TXT so backend services work. Make sure environment variables like API keys are exported before you start. This prevents runtime errors during the build or when launching local servers. Now start the application and validate functionality. Run npm run dev for the front end and Python main. Py for the backend or the single start command if provided. Then open localhost 3000 or your configured port to test emoji generation. Try several inputs and confirm output save as expected. If something fails, inspect console logs and error traces, verify ports are free, and confirm Node/Python versions match requirements. As a key troubleshooting tip, delete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.